Here are the storm headlines for the afternoon. We will be transitioning from snow to ice to rain from southeast to northwest. More on that as we get to the maps. Certainly is going to be a messy afternoon commute, especially north and west. And then it looks like there's going to be a temperature drop tonight down into the 20s. So where we do have water building up, where it does change to rain, we're going to have any ponding in the roadways. We're going to have that water freezing up where it's ponding, and also the slushy snow, which eventually is going to be happening here around the Boston area, is going to turn to all freeze up. There's going to be a crust of ice. It's going to be kind of a mess. It's nice to have just a plain snowstorm. We don't have to deal through all these transitions. This is just ugly having to go through all of this, but certainly lots of impacts this afternoon with the accumulating snow first. We got the reduced visibility of the snow falling. We got slippery travel, of course. The roads are slippery, and virtually no wind or coastal concerns, but we might have a place where the wind may get gusty. Jess will show you that in just a little bit. It's all in the 20s north and west, even some teens in northwestern New England. Along the coast, the temperature's starting to rise from Rockport, Gloucester, where it's up to 36 now, Beverly, and also warming along the coast here. So we may have this little coastal front setting up with more of a northerly wind back over interior sections and more of an east to occasionally southeast wind popping up here. So the idea is we're going to have different weather in different locations, and the visibility has dropped from west to east in the last few hours, now down to a half mile in Bedford, down to a quarter mile in Worcester and Orange. Some of the snow is coming down at a pretty good clip out in here, as we can see it rolling on in right now. It's coming down. Of course, it's always variable in intensity. At times we get bursts of heavier snow, lightens up somewhat. We still got some snow on the Cape, but in the outer Cape it's mostly rain right now and transitioning to mainly rain. Along the south coast of Connecticut we've got some sleet going on here, and that's going to progress northward. So again, probably about a couple of inches or so in Boston, 2 or 3 or so to the south, a coating to 2, practically nothing on the outer Cape, maybe the western part of the Cape getting a coating or so. So 2 to 4, and then 4 working up to 6 inches as you get up towards the Route 2 corridor, and then beyond that it's more than 6 inches. So there will be a transition going on here this afternoon. It's mainly rain down toward most of the Cape. It's going to go from snow to sleet to eventually rain as this whole thing transitions northwestward, and then snow to sleet, but then a prolonged period of freezing rain deeper inland where there could be an ice buildup there. So watch the timestamp as we go through the afternoon. The blue shadings of the snow, it transitions into sleet and freezing rain, but there's a lot of freezing rain going on out here. That's why the accretion may be amounting up to a quarter inch. There might be some scattered power outages, and we got temperatures rising in the 40s, possibly near 50 on Cape Cod, rises in the middle 30s, but it's a cold rain out here, and it's cold enough to be a freezing rain at times. And then it looks like we're going to have this transition back to a little bit of snow, especially north and west. So everything sort of freezes up tonight. You got to get this moved early this evening before the freeze up takes place. Now the place where there might be some strong winds, the jet comes up here and they get into the warm sector, would be southeastern Massachusetts and the Cape. There could be winds of 40 miles an hour or more in some gusts coming up for this evening as they get into the warm sector. But this will all be gone. It ends tonight around midnight or so, and then it's all cleared up for the most part with sunshine back tomorrow, but very icy tomorrow morning, many areas. It looks like lower 30s, and then we get some more light snow coming in here Friday night and very early on Saturday.